Hello, thank you all so much for clicking on my video and welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly decor that is very easy to do. I want to say happy holidays to each and every one of you. Thank you all for supporting my channel, leaving comments, hitting a like button, sharing. All of that has helped my channel grow over the years since I've started my YouTube journey. Thank you all. Happy holidays. In today's video, I'm going to be creating simple DIY hacks that I use with these wire baskets from the Dollar Tree. Now I have four of these wire baskets. They're like the square shape, and what I originally wanted to do was gift my sister like a fruit vegetable basket. So I decided to put four of these baskets together to create a basket to give to my sister, but I also created one for myself. So as you can see, first I am attaching two baskets together by using some zip ties that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. So all I'm doing is, well, what I'm trying to do, as you can see, it's a little struggle, is add zip ties through the openings of the baskets to secure them. So what I did was add three for the top, so one in the middle and two on each side. And then what I'm going to do is add the other two baskets. So these baskets comes in different shapes, and they do have these in white as well as the Dollar Tree. And I have did several videos creating DIYs using these baskets, and I'll link those videos in the description box below so that you'll be one click away from some more inspiration using the wire baskets from the Dollar Tree. And while I'm zip tying these baskets together, I want to take a moment to say happy holidays to each and every one of you. This has been a busy year for me, but it's been a great year and I've been blessed. And I just want to thank everyone for hanging in there with me, continuing watching my videos, leaving comments. I absolutely appreciate all of the support. I haven't been posting as much this year as I did in the previous years, but I am getting back in the groove. I had to do some family things. Life was lifing, and I appreciate you all hanging in there with me. So Merry Christmas, and I'm wishing everyone a Happy New Year. So as you can see, now that I had all four zip tied from the top, I flipped them over, and now I am zip tying them from the bottom. As you can see, I'm just closing them together to create like an arch. And that's how I wanted this basket to be styled, as an arch. So I'm just going in the same way I did at the top once I flipped it over, and I'm adding three zip ties, maybe two or three, to connect them to the bottom, and that's how I get my arch. And as you can see, I'm just clipping off the excess zip ties, and there's my arch. And so all I'm going to do is add my fruits and vegetables and add this into the kitchen, but later I'll show you how I wrapped it to give my sister one for Christmas as well. And so for the next DIY hack, this is just a DIY hack that I created to store an extra roll of toilet tissue paper in the bathroom, and I wanted something really cute. And so I'm taking one of these white baskets, and this is the round one from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I'm just squeezing in the middle. I wanted it to be squeezed in to where it's the size of a roll so that it can hug it and it can be nice and snug. So that's what I'm doing. But I did also want to elevate this basket a little bit more too. So what I'm doing is taking one of these chunky wood rounds from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just clipping off the hanger. And what I'm going to do is attach this to the bottom of the basket just to elevate it using some hot glue. And this just turned out so adorable. I had to create one for my sister as well because she was like, I'm going to take that. I'm like, girl, I'll just make you one. So I'm securing it down using some hot glue, just adding the hot glue around the basket. at the bottom and then just placing it right on top. Once that's secure, I'm going to flip it over and go around that wood piece with some hot glue for extra security. Now you can stain this wood piece, and I think this will look really nice and elevated with like some wood stain. But I just kept it in its natural state, just to keep that bright color. And so now what I'm going to do is clip off a few pieces of greenery, and I'm going to attach this greenery around that basket, as well as some jute twine. So what I'm going to do now is get me some jute twine, and then first I'm going to go in with a little hot glue in the section where I want it to be the front of the basket, and add these 4 little greenery pieces that I clipped off. And then to secure it a little bit more, I'll just make sure when I wrap my jute twine around, I make sure that I wrap it around the greenery pieces so that it can be some extra security. And I'm telling you, this is just so adorable in the bathroom that I'm definitely going to create another one for the upstairs bathroom, because I added this one downstairs in a little half bathroom. I thought it was cute just to have a little extra row, and I really do love how this turned out. And it also gave me an idea to create a little set for the bathroom, which I probably will do that for a later video. So all I'm doing now is tying the extra jute twine in the back, securing a knot, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess. And then all I have to do once I get that done is just add a row of tissue paper into the basket. And I'm telling you, this is just so cute, so simple, but so cute. And I absolutely love how this one turned out as well. So for this next DIY hack, I wanted to create a basket so that I can sit it on the bottom of my spice rack, so that when I'm cooking, I can just grab the different spices off of my spice rack, add them to my basket, and carry it on over to the stove. But I wanted to elevate this basket, and so I decided to use one of these little wood pieces from the Dollar Tree, added some glue, and placed it on the bottom of this basket. I just thought this will make it look a little bit more better, and also act as decor on that spice rack. And so I did want to create a hanger for that, because that's the purpose. And so I'm using these string beads from the Dollar Tree. The only thing I'm going to do is cut them down to size of how long I want my hanger to be, because I also may be using this basket to hang on a hook as well. So I wanted to make sure I had a nice secured hanger. And so all I'm going to do is string the cord that the beads came on through one of the loops and tie 2 secure knots. And that's pretty much it for this basket. The baskets from the Dollar Tree are really easy to bend and rearrange, and so there's so many different DIYs you can create using them. And so please, if you haven't seen any of my previous videos, check the description box below for some links, because I did create some really fun and nice projects using these baskets, and I do have more that I will be posting soon. And so don't forget to check the description box below, and I truly appreciate the support. So all I'm doing is now stringing through the other side, tying 2 secure knots, and that is it. I added it to the bottom of my spice rack, and so now I have my little shopping spice rack basket. But I really think it's adorable, and I love how simple it was to elevate. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Here is how it looked when I packaged one up to give to my sister for the holidays. I thought, why not give her some fruits and vegetables? Thank you all again for tuning in. Merry Christmas, and I will see you all in the next one.